Hey folks, this is Eric again. I was bringing you another update of the big snowstorm here. We ended up with about 4 or 5 inches of snow. Daughter and I have been out shoveling all day today. Done the neighbors, done ours. But we survived. No power outages. I don't think anybody lost their power. Didn't get as much ice as what they thought we were going to get. Did get a lot of snow, heavy snow. It's that nice heavy wet snow, but seems like the roads are pretty slushy, and tonight it's supposed to be 5. So all this stuff is going to freeze again. So I'm saying probably no school tomorrow, but you never know. State roads not been up through to plow or salt anything in our neighborhood, because the secondary mains are probably still pretty bad. And it's 4:42 p.m. right now, and it's still here. Fortunately not calling for any more snow, and as you can tell behind me, the sun is out. Sorry if it's blowing the camera out. That's the only angle I've got right now. So we'll see how it goes tonight. I hope everybody made it through this. I'll give you some camera shots here in just a moment of how it looks in the neighborhood. And like I said, I hope you guys made it through okay. Thanks for watching.
Are you making a video?